ChatGPT is the talk of the town. Everybody's talking about its capabilities, what it can do, and all the power that is within it. ChatGPT4 has been out for some months now, and everybody has been using it and talking of how powerful it is. But you know, ChatGPT4 is the most powerful version that is currently existing, and a lot of people don't get access to it because it's not free. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free access to ChatGPT4 and how you can use this as much as you can for whatever that you are to do. So as you can see here, ChatGPT4 is very powerful. Can do a lot more than what we had known ChatGPT3 to do. And since it has been launched, it actually isn't available to everyone. You have to be on the premium version or the pro of the ChatGPT in order to use it, and the pro requires you pay $20 a month to get access to it. But in this video, we are going to get into it. We are going to break it down and see how you will get it for free. So without talking much, let's get started. Alright, so this is ChatGPT4, and if you are checking it here, you may not get it because they will tell you to try it on ChatGPT Plus, but there is this backdoor that you can use to access it for free, and this backdoor is this particular website. It's called poi.com, and when you come to poi.com, it's a group of chatbots that they've put together, and these chatbots are variety. You get a whole different set of chatbots that are put together, and in there you have access to ChatGPT4, but a limited version of it. So when you come here, we have Sage, we have Dragonfly, we have ChatGPT itself, that's a GPT 3.5 that everybody knows, and we have ChatGPT4, which is stated as limited access. So by limited access, for example, right here, I've gotten access to it when I came. Suggest ways I can make money using ChatGPT. I'll do a video on this, so kindly watch out for it, how to make money using ChatGPT. I'll explain everything in details. And if you don't subscribe, you can't get more access, but you have access to up to 2 questions in a day, or up to 2 questions to be able to use it. So I've actually used it and it's working here. And this is free, but not very much available. So I'll go to the other method where you get it free for as long as you can. So to access this, go to poi.com, POE.com/GPT4, or you can download the app on App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you're not using an iPhone, then you probably have to use the website version of it. So how do you get it completely free? The good news is that Bing has actually incorporated ChatGPT into it. So if you don't know what Bing is a search engine of Microsoft. Yes, search engine of Microsoft, and Edge is their official browser. And when you come to the browser and you click on this, you have your ChatGPT right here for you. So as you can see, welcome to Bing AI powered answers to search engine. In this place, it answers the question. So let's see, suggest chapters for a book title. It does all that. And the best way to get it is, let's say for example, I'm searching for so something like write a motivation for a scholarship. And note, if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, you don't know how to interact with it, kindly check in the description below for the playlist on ChatGPT. In there, I explained all that you need to know about ChatGPT, or majority of what you need to know about how to use ChatGPT and all that. So I'm going to give you the guidance through it. So I just close the chat at this side. So when it comes, sorry, MTN is slowing my network down, but let's wait for it. So while you are waiting, just subscribe to this channel. If you have comments, leave them below. If you have anything you want me to do or any explanation on ChatGPT or any of the content on my channel, kindly leave a comment below or contact me and we will get interactive. So even as it loads, what I want to show you is just basically this. When you search, the results comes in the search, but you can switch over to what we call the chat part of it. So you switch over to the chat part and you have it here, and it's ChatGPT 4.0 that you are accessing, not the 3.5. The 3.5 you can check on the other videos on how to use it. And then when you come here, there are a variety of answers. They give you the references and the links to get access to it. So basically, here is how you can get access to ChatGPT 4.0. If you've not used it yet, kindly check it out. It's very powerful, more powerful than the GPT-3, and this is actually free. So to get more of these tips, to get more of secrets like this or more videos on AI and other related softwares, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also do well to leave a comment below, whether it's just a thank you or any comment. These are things that will help push the video to reach more audience. And as you've waited till now, here is the chat button that you just click and it moves you over to the ChatGPT4. So thank you very much, and until I see my next video, it's bye bye. Subscribe.